Welcome back. Projects don't fail on math, they fail on people. Today, how teams actually form and storm, the roles that make a project work, and the decision tools that stop the loudest voice from winning. Heads up, this is an ASQ-emphasis lesson, a dedicated section on their Greenbelt exam, while IASSC barely touches it. If you're ASQ track, this is free points. Let's go. Teams develop in stages. Tuckman's model. Forming. Polite. Unclear on goals. The leader directs. Charter. Roles. Ground rules. Storming. Conflict surfaces. Over-approach. Authority. Workload. The leader coaches and keeps conflict on ideas, not people. Norming. Working agreements gel. The leader steps back to facilitation. Performing. The team self-manages toward the goal, the leader delegates. Exam patterns. Storming is normal and necessary. Teams that skip it usually haven't surfaced real disagreements, and a team can regress a stage when membership changes. Roles inside the project. The champion clears roadblocks. The sponsor owns the process and the results. The team lead, your green belt, runs the work. The facilitator guards the process of meetings. The scribe guards the record. Then RACI, the responsibility matrix. R, responsible, does the work. A, accountable. One name only, owns the outcome. C, consulted, asked before. I, informed, told after. Worked example. For the charter, the green belt is responsible, the sponsor accountable, the champion consulted, the team informed. If two names sit in the A column, no one is accountable. Decision tools for teams. Brainstorming generates volume, judgment deferred. Nominal group technique adds silence and fairness. Write ideas privately, round-robin them, discuss, then rank by private vote, the introvert's equalizer. Multivoting shrinks a long list fast. Everyone gets N votes, spread or stacked. And consensus. Everyone can live with and support the decision, reserved for the choices that need real commitment. Exam distinction. NGT ranks a list. Multivoting reduces one. Different tools commonly confused. Here's the people layer in practice. I'll use the LeanProjax platform. The project team with named roles, lead, contributor, viewer. So access follows responsibility. Roles aren't decoration. The lead runs the work. Contributors edit, and viewers see everything read only. And when someone joins or leaves the project, you change it here, once, and the whole team sees it immediately. Governance that travels with the work. The failure modes, and their countermeasures. Groupthink, harmony over honesty, counter with a devil's advocate and anonymous input. Dominance, one voice fills the room, counter with NGT and round robins. Social loafing, effort hides in the crowd, counter with named deliverables, see RACI. Floundering, no decision process, counter with clear ground rules up front. The exam gives you a symptom and asks for the tool. Now you have the map. Exam drill. Question 1. Your team argues constantly about the approach in week 3. Which stage? And is it a problem? Pause here if you need a moment. Storming. And no, it's expected. The leader's job is to keep the conflict productive, not to suppress it. Question 2. A RACI row shows 2 A's. Why is that wrong? Take a few seconds. Accountability doesn't split. One name owns each outcome or nobody does. People, roles, and fair decisions. The soft skills that pass hard exams. Next lesson is the define capstone. We build a complete define phase end to end, then face the toll gate. Bring everything from lessons 2 through 7. See you there.